In Feng Shui, we talk about there being 9 life areas that people have to tend to be happy, healthy, prosperous, and free. And you have to tend to these life areas every single day. Now, when people hire me to do Feng Shui consultations for them, they usually are concerned with money, career, wealth, and love. And that doesn't even begin to cover the life areas. We use a tool in Feng Shui called the Bagua map. There you can see an image of the Bagua map. And we superimpose this tic-tac-toe image on a floor plan, and that tells us where each life area goes. So life area number 1 is career, life mission, and individuality. Number 2, marriage, relationships, and partnerships. Number 3, health, family, and community. Number 4, wealth, prosperity, and self-worth. Number 5 is the center of good fortune and gratitude. Number 6 is helpful people, spiritual life, and travel. Number 7, children, creativity, and fun. Number 8, wisdom, self-knowledge, and rest. And number 9 is fame, reputation, and social life. Now, each of these is going to have a location in your floor plan. So for example, if you're standing at your door looking to the inside, the farthest corner to the right is going to be your relationships corner, and the farthest corner to the left is going to be your wealth corner. And so then they get distributed like that. Now, something that few people know is that you also have to look at the rooms, because there are different rooms are actually representing also the life area. The career area, career, life mission, and individuality, is also expressed in the foyer. The marriage, relationships, and partnerships life area is expressed in the master bedroom. The health, family, and community life area is expressed in the dining room. The wealth, prosperity, and self-worth life area is expressed in the kitchen. The center of good fortune and gratitude, that doesn't have a room. It's the middle of the home, wherever that fits. But often what you find in the middle of the home is a hallway or a space that connects other areas. The life area we call helpful people, spiritual life, and travel is also expressed in the family altar, if you have an altar, or in the formal living room, if you have a separate living room and family room. The life area we call children, creativity, and fun is expressed in children's bedrooms, but also in arts studios or arts and crafts rooms, hobby rooms. Life area number 8, wisdom, self-knowledge, and rest, is also expressed in the home office. Now, if you don't have a home office, it's expressed anywhere you have your books. Next life area, fame, reputation, and social life, that is expressed in the family room, then great room. So here's where the conflict comes, where the Bagua map falls on your floor plan has to combine and interact with where the life area is. For example, the relationship corner is the farthest corner to the right. But if your master bedroom is not in that corner, then there's going to be another spot in the home that represents relationships. And so what a Feng Shui consultant does is we look at how those things interact to make sure that you can be happy, healthy, prosperous, and free, and prosper in all life areas.